Welcome to day number 4 on board the Carnival Magic. The port of call of today is Honduras, Isla Roatan. This is the best destination of the western itinerary to go to the beach. It's very convenient. It's a 10-minute walk from the port. Basically, you never leave the port area in order to go to the beach. You don't have to get a taxi. It's extremely convenient. The problem is that most of the time here it rains, and because of that rain, don't make this the only destination to go to the beach. Yeah, it's a great location, but at the same time, since it rains all the time, it's better to have a plan B. On our case, we did it the day before and the plan worked out fine because over here it was raining pretty much the whole day. As the ship approaches the port, you will realize how close the beach is to the port. And if you don't want to go to the beach, you want to do something else, on this area, it's technically a huge resort. They got other things to do. You can do zip lines, you can do a lot of outdoor activities that usually you have to take a bus and do transportation to a far place. Over here, everything is nearby. Because of the weather, our family decided to stay on board and take advantage of the amenities that the Carnival Magic have to offer. But I decided to go and explore the port area and check out the facilities over here on Mahogany Bay, Isla Roatan, Honduras. Even though the weather that day was not cooperating with anybody, I was impressed with the amount of tours that actually sail away for their destination. For those planning to go to the beach, you have a lot of equipment available there. Here are the prices. So make sure guys to make your comments and let me know what you think about those prices on the comment section. Also, they have a flying share service, that one that you see on the left, to go to the beach. It's about $12 if I remember correctly. That's one of the options. The other option is to basically walk. You walk through this nature trail and before you know it, you're there. This is one of the locations that you can take advantage of internet access. So if you don't have the Carnival internet package, check it out. This is one of the best locations to take advantage of that. This is something new I encountered. There's a security guard over here in the entrance and they check that you have an ID and they won't let you go into the beach area unless you have your proper ID. So that's something to keep in mind. This is the equipment that they mentioned on the previous sign. So if you're interested to do a rental and you forgot about the rates, there's a second sign over here on the bridge. Remember the flying chairs I mentioned before? Here they are. And as you get closer and closer to the beach area, you will see more and more facilities. They have shopping areas that you forgot your sunblock, they'll sell it to you. And they have a lot of restaurants. It's really a cool area to hang out and have fun. If you have been here before, this sign will be very familiar. Almost every other girl will take a picture over here. I don't know why, but it's usually the norm here. I tried to take some aerial shots of the beach and really show you the area, but it started raining right away, so I have to cancel the whole operation and go back to the ship. Once the rain started, it didn't stop for probably about 30 minutes. So as soon as I cleared out, I decided to go back to the ship. And on my way back, I was able to get some shots of the nature trail. It's a beautiful, beautiful trail. Technically, it could be a botanical garden. There's a lot of colorful plants, a lot of tropical plants. So it's really an attraction in itself. And if you're wondering what about shopping, well, you have a lot of options. Once you go back to the port area or the resort area, you will see a lot of familiar stores that you see in other places. You will see a lot of local stores. So if you miss out on the previous port of call, this is the best chance for you to take advantage of that and do the shopping that you were looking for. With all that walking and shopping, of course you're gonna get thirsty. And they didn't forget about it. They have Fat Tuesday and other bars that they will take care of that thirst. On the visitor center, you can even rent a car, so you can explore the whole island on your own. This is a little bit more on the adventure side, but hey, if you want to do it, why not? Well, we're on the subject of adventures. They have zipline facilities right there, and also they have ATVs to go through the jungle. So if a car is not adventurous enough, you can do all these activities right there and there. While I was exploring this area, I was able to find a sign that kind of got my attention. I didn't know that radiation material is easy to get by, but apparently here it is. I don't know, put it on the comment section if you know the answer. But going back to the facilities here at Mahogany Bay, they're very well prepared. They even have an airport on this tiny island apparently, so if you get behind on your schedule and you can't make it back to the cruise ship and you get stranded, apparently you can fly back to the States. But that's a big help. I mean, not everywhere you go you have that option, so here you have it. And with this beautiful view, I'll leave you guys. This is the end of the video. I hope I help you guys if you haven't been there before, that you have a better idea on what to expect on Isla Roatan, Mahogany Bay, Honduras. Also, I would like to remind you guys, my viewers, likes are free. So if you like the video, don't forget to like it, or even better, share it. Once again, thank you for my subscribers. I hope if you like what you see, subscribe to my channel. If you have any comments, post them on the comment section. If I don't know the answer, most likely one of the other viewers will have an answer for it. So thank you guys. And the next destination on this trip is going to be Belize. Beautiful location. Actually, this is where I lost my phone, so it's going to be interesting to show you guys where it happened. So until the next video, take care of yourself and see you next time.